up and what's happening there, blessed beautiful souls? Kiara Ducasse here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. Who's ready for the show today? Make sure to smash that thumbs up for me, and let's not waste any time. Guys, as you all know, today we are going to be expecting the Federal Reserve to rate hikes today by 0.25 basis points, and that will be this evening at about 8:30 UTC time. 8:30 UTC time. So a lot of volatility coming in the market. They will tell us when they're going to raise the rates, probably at about at the opening bell session just after that. Then they will raise the rates, and then Fed Powell will speak at about 8:30. Okay, so I really hope to be doing a video with you guys. A live session would be wonderful, but you know, unfortunately here in South Africa, I'm not going to be at my office tonight. I have to be somewhere else, but I will do my best to do that, even if it's me sitting in the car and running the video. So I will try. I'm not promising, but I will try. But at least I'll do a very, very quick video for you after, at the very least. And essentially what I want to do in that video is I want to show you guys what happened in the Federal Reserve minutes and talk about what Powell was actually speaking about. And so there's a number of different options here. So for me and a lot of people in the market, the rate hike has already been priced into all assets. Okay, people are expecting the Fed to do a 25%, 25 BPS raise. So that's what will probably happen. And if they don't raise, then that will be extremely bullish for the markets. But if they do raise it, say, to 50 BPS or even 30 BPS, then the market is going to crash on its ass. Okay, just letting you know, because the market, as I've been showing you guys, is sitting at a very, very, very strong level, which is above support. So it is supported right now, but if we get this volatility and we break through that support, then down we go. So hopefully we bounce off of the support and go and hit the upper resistance levels, because of course all of us are doing really well in terms of what we're doing in crypto. So guys, you know, you can get a Bybit $30,000 deposit link down below, and thank you. So I just want to bring something up on the channel, and you know, I've had quite a few comments on some of the videos, and the video that I did yesterday about Custa, I had an interesting comment. So a lot of people are saying some of the coins that I'm speaking about here are either shit, or they scams, or they rug pulls, or whatever. But if you go and DYOR or do your own research, you will find that they're not. So for me, Custa isn't a scam. Okay, it's a very valid project with a good market cap, good team members in the market that have been very successful in crypto in their own rights, and they are building this platform. Right now we're in a bear market, so all coins across the board, especially altcoins, are sitting way down on the floor right now, and we just have to be a little bit more patient. So if you guys want to pass comments on the community and say that it's a scam, if I can please ask you to validate why it's a scam, if you could do that to the community, that would be very, very much appreciated. So yeah, let's not waste any more time. I appreciate all comments, whether they're positive or negative. None of them really affect me in any sort of way. I'm doing this. I'll show up every single day for you watching this video right now, because you keep coming back to my channel to watch the videos. So thank you for your love and your support, and appreciate it. I mean, I got people calling me strange things, but clearly it means nothing to me. But I'm just sharing with you. If you saying it's a scam and people read those comments, then validate what you're saying. Don't just say it's a scam, please, guys. That would be amazing. So let's get on to the crypto market cap for the day. And yeah, let us just log in here quick. And cool. I'm very, very grateful that we have internet right now, because yeah, at my office I have a generator that kicks in, but yeah, at home, unfortunately I don't. And yeah, I will be out, like I say. So Crypto market cap is up 1.6% for the day, up to 1.229 trillion. Bitcoin is still sitting under the 29K level. It's sitting at 28,672. Ethereum at 1866. BNB at 323. XRP at 46. Cardano 38. Dogecoin at 7.8. Polygon at 9.8. Solana 21.74. Polkadot at 568. Litecoin at 8801. Shiba back up above the 1,000. Avalanche 1670, Uni 526, Chainlink 697, and Cosmos 1101. So, damn guys, we've been seeing some great moves in the market, I must say, whether it's up and down. Crypto bubbles, everything is in the red right now against Bitcoin, okay? Every single thing except these three here, Casper, Hex, and Stacks. So, this is great. Now, I've been doing some cool videos about trading crypto into crypto for you guys. Like 13.5%, you got 13.5% more Bitcoin when you sell this against Bitcoin. Okay, of course, why wouldn't you want 13.5% more Bitcoin than you had this morning? Like, makes sense, right? Sell your cryptos into Bitcoin, or at least take some profits. So right now we've gone from yesterday's 55 right back up to 64. And as you can see, guys, we have not yet hit that 65 level, which means we are not in extreme green in the crypto market, which means that the sentiment is still a lot of fear in the market. Okay, people are still fearing. It doesn't matter that this little needle is pumping up here at 64. People are still fearing, although with the whole Pepe saga, my goodness me, guys, that coin, I don't know what people are thinking. And great, you've made a lot of money, but there isn't that much liquidity. You know, like if you want to draw your money out, Altcoin Daily actually mentioned something on their channel that somebody had made $3.5 million, and their trading fees were worth about $300,000 to withdraw the money because they had to pay a very high slippage fee. That's ludicrous, guys. That's showing you that there isn't liquidity in the project. Why would you do that? Like, you could see on the screen your $200 go to $1 million, but you might only be able to draw out $100,000 and lose $20,000 because of slippage fees. It doesn't make sense, guys. So yes, you're $80,000 in profit, which is great, but I don't know. There's so many better things to do with your money in crypto. And I can tell you something. Make sure to hit that notification bell on this channel because I'm doing a lot of cool videos for you lately. So you guys are going to be absolutely blown away. So yesterday, guys, the US job openings fell by 100,000, which is quite a big fall. And then the factory orders fell by 0.4%, which is a massive fall, guys. Okay, so very interesting because last time it was minus 1.1%, but it's come up from the last time, and then this is the forecast for this month. So we're waiting today for all of this news to come in. There's going to be a huge volatility today and tomorrow and Friday, because Friday we will have non-farm payrolls. So the next 3 days, guys, the market is going to go, and hopefully for crypto it goes up and the dollar falls. So I'm going to show you something yesterday because I was in a Euro USD trade to the downside, okay? Basically selling the euro to make some dollars because the dollar was pumping, but all of a sudden the dollar hit the resistance level that I was talking to you guys about, and I ended from going from mega profits. Immediately I lost all of that money. So it's very interesting. So I lost my trade, but come and have a look here. This is what I actually wanted to show you on the dollar, because you guys know that I start with the dollar. On the 4 hour on the dollar, look at this. We're getting a reset on the RSI. We've got upward slope here right now. So we may just push up on the dollar from this point, okay? But I did tell you that if we can't get above the blue line, that we would hit it hard with the resistance. And look at the wicks. We had so many wicks there. So the wicks came, busted our ass, the dollar's ass right back down here. And cool, we might retrace. There could be some big volatility. But guys, at the end of the day, you know, we're making higher highs here and we're making higher lows, which means that we're in an uptrend on the short-term time frame, which is very interesting because, yeah, I mean, you can see here on the euro, and like this is a perfect example of what we call a fake out. Let me go and show you here, guys, what happened on my trade. So as this sell signal and this candle wicked, I sold right there. Boom, I took the market down. It did. I thought my target would have come down to this level. It didn't do that. It pumped. Look at this pump. So it completely stopped me out. Okay, thankfully I had my stop loss right there, but it was a nasty trade, guys. I was in such good profits and then I smashed there. Some trades you're going to win and some you're going to lose. It's just the nature of trading. If you can win 3 out of 10 trades, you will be profitable. Okay, so if you manage your risk right, that is, of course. So Bitcoin dominance on the day is coming to an oversold perspective, overbought perspective. So we're coming up to resistance here. You can see that is now extremely clear right now. So we do have to break through this little box in the interim to actually get the dominance back up, which means that more money will come into Bitcoin and more money will essentially come mostly into Bitcoin, but in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the altcoins. But it will suppress the altcoin moves even more, okay, right now. And you can see that on, so let me just make sure that I draw my bottom box here for you guys. Okay, you can see there, actually that's probably where the level is. So you can see there, if we happen to break that bottom box today or in the next few days, then we probably come down here, okay. Now, if we go and look at actual Bitcoin chart, this is the 4 hour, okay. So the 4 hour, I actually took a trade here at this candle because I could see it turning, and look what the RSI was doing at that same point. So I entered in on this candle and I knew it was going to come up to this level because there was much resistance here and a little bit there and a lot here. Okay. So of course I know to take profits there because that's where the level is, although it could have pumped up there and it could have waited, but what would I be waiting for if I can just take my profits now? So I banked my Bitcoin trade, which was great. And yeah, guys, so there's many things that are happening in the market. And if you guys have been watching my video, you can see my channel. You can see I've got a whole lot of cryptos here that I want to show you and do some more videos on that actually equal trading. So like I said to you guys, look at this. I took a trade on the NASDAQ. Over here, I took a trade when this candle pumped up, and I basically I sold here because it was starting to top. Look at this. Wasn't my degree accurate? I said here, so it's a little bit under. Okay, so it's like 200 points under, but look at us. We're hitting the reversal right now. So this is starting to look like it wants to come down again. Okay. When you go and look at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, this is on the weekly time frame. Let's just look at it very simply on the daily time frame because we have been ranging essentially. Okay, she's not wanting to load, so let her load. So basically, guys, there will be a lot of volatility in Bitcoin today. Please make sure, and I'm going to tell you, the RSI is coming to an overbought perspective, so I wouldn't be surprised if there was some sort of pullback. At the very least to this level, and perhaps this level. If we break this level here, and you can see where I've actually put my entry in, because we could wick all the way down here and then pump all the way back up, and we would still be very bullish. In fact, we could do that even lower. We could even come down all the way down to here. We could even come all the way down to 20,000 again and still be very bullish. So I don't think we're going to go all of that way down right now, but I do think that we are at a very, very critical point in the charts right now. So let's go and see what Ethereum Bitcoin looks like. So essentially right now we've had a buy. So you would buy Bitcoin using Ethereum, and it's coming to an oversold perspective. So you would probably now sell your Ethereum back into Bitcoin and let your Bitcoin run, which tells me the Bitcoin dominance is probably going to go up, guys. So there's a lot to be said here in the market right now. And if you guys enjoyed this video, it's a very short market update for you for the day. And yeah, please remember to come and like, subscribe, and share my content so that you guys know exactly what's happening here for you guys on the channel and what to do and take care of your crypto portfolios. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.